Easy science experiment for kids: how to keep your kid engaged in science class. Please subscribe to my channel. Science in the classroom. Engaging children in science class is important for fostering their curiosity, critical thinking skills, and passion for learning. Here are some strategies to keep your child engaged in science. Hands-on experiments. Science is best learned through hands-on activities. Encourage your child's teacher to incorporate experiments and demonstrations into the curriculum. Additionally, you can supplement classroom learning with science kits or experiments at home. Real-life connections. Help your child understand the relevance of science in everyday life. Discuss how scientific concepts are applied in various fields such as medicine, technology, and the environment. Encourage them to ask questions and make connections between what they learn in class and the world around them. Field trips and guest speakers. Advocate for field trips to science museums, zoos, botanical gardens, or local research facilities. Exposure to real-world applications of science can be inspiring. Guest speakers, such as scientists or engineers, can share their experiences and make science more relatable. Multimedia resources. Utilize multimedia resources like videos, documentaries, and interactive websites to supplement classroom learning. Visual and interactive content can enhance understanding and make science more engaging. Citizen science projects. Engage your child in citizen science projects where they can contribute to real scientific research. Websites like Zooniverse offer opportunities for kids to participate in data analysis or identification of species. Such projects make science feel meaningful and encourage active participation. Science fairs and competitions. Encourage your child to participate in science fairs or competitions. These events provide opportunities for hands-on projects, creative thinking, and public presentation. The process of preparing for such events can be motivating and exciting. Encourage questioning. Teach your child to ask questions and explore topics beyond the textbook. Encourage them to think critically, experiment, and find answers to their queries. Support their curiosity and provide resources to explore their interests further. Collaboration and discussion. Engage your child in group activities, discussions, and collaborative projects. This allows them to learn from their peers, share ideas, and develop communication skills. Encourage them to explain scientific concepts to others, promoting deeper understanding. Use technology. Leverage technology tools and apps that offer interactive simulations, virtual labs, or augmented reality experiences. These resources can provide a more immersive and engaging learning experience. Encourage creativity. Science is not just about memorizing facts, it also involves creativity and problem solving. Encourage your child to explore their own ideas, design experiments, and think outside the box. Support their projects and help them find ways to express their scientific ideas creatively. Remember, children's engagement in science is greatly influenced by their environment and the support they receive from parents and teachers. By fostering a positive attitude towards science and providing opportunities for exploration, you can help your child develop a lifelong love for the subject.